Hey guys, it's LT with LT Fit coming to you today with a simple question. Are you exercising today? Again, are you exercising today? Subscribe this channel and like this video if it brings you value. Stay tuned. Are you making time for fitness today? Are you working out? Or are you choosing not to work out today? I get it. You're home, you don't feel like working out, you feel stressed. Also, you have more things to do because the kids are home. I get it. You really don't feel like you have time to work out. But guess what? You gotta work time. You gotta make time for it. Make time for it on your terms. Don't wait till somebody else tell you have to work out. Choose to work out. Because you decide. You know, it's interesting that everyone knows that exercise is important. There's no doubt about that. But it seems like everyone is not actually doing it. For some reason, some people choose to avoid exercise. I get it. You're busy. You got a career to think about. You got to take care of the kids if you have kids. You got to take care of the house. I mean, it's all so many different things you got to take care of that you just can't get to making time for fitness. I get it. The one thing about fitness is, you can only run away from it for so long. After a while, you're either going to be forced to do it by your doctor or because you're disgusted with the way you look or the way you feel. So why not do it on your terms? Why not start fitness before somebody make you do it or before you get so disgusted with yourself that you have no other alternative? Because at the end of the day, fitness is the best investment you can make into yourself. So that's why my question at the beginning of this video, are you going to work out today? Now that's a very simple question, and some people might think it's not really that important because they can just put it off because it's not really like a pressing issue. But each day that you avoid it is another day that becomes more and more important. Okay, so invest into yourself today and start with just one workout. Start with that one workout. One workout will give you a step closer to being healthy, to looking better, to not relying on somebody else to force you into exercise, but you get to choose. So today you get a choice. Either you choose to exercise or you get the consequences of what's coming from not exercising. All right, this L2 LT Fit. Definitely subscribe to this channel and like this video if it brings you value. Have a great day.